Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. If you're looking for a super simple last minute idea for dessert tonight, this strawberry fool is one of the easiest dessert you can make. It is essentially fresh strawberries and whipped cream. If you're looking for a healthy alternate, substitute heavy cream with sour cream or Greek yogurt. So without wasting a minute, let's go and make it happen. So first take some fresh strawberries, take the stem out of it, and then if they're bigger, just cut them into 2 or 4 pieces, or you can use frozen strawberries for this dessert as well. Then add some white granulated sugar and squeeze some fresh lemon juice. Now, if your strawberries are too sour, you can skip the lemon juice for this recipe. Leave them out for like around 5 to 10 minutes and then mash them with the help of fork. Now, I've seen a lot of recipes where they completely blend the strawberries for this recipe. I personally don't prefer it. So with the help of emulsion blender, I blended some of the strawberries. So some are completely juiced and some are big chunks and smaller chunks, as you can see here. Then I took a stand mixture bowl and then I added some heavy whipping cream. You can use a hand blender as well, and then blend it until the cream have stiff beads. As here you can see, the cream is not falling from the spatula. Then I add the blended strawberry mixture in there, but I reserve around a quarter cup on the side. Then with very light hand, with the help of spatula, fold the whipped cream with the strawberry mixture until it's completely combined. Then I took an individual serving bowl and add some of the whipped cream mixture. Then I add that blended strawberry mixture, a little bit of juice and some strawberry chunks, and then I filled the rest of the cup with the whipped cream mixture. Then smooth the top with the help of spoon. Now for the added touch, I drizzled some reserve juice, and then I garnished my dessert with some sliced strawberries. If you have mint leaf on hand, you can add that for some added touch and color. So as you can see, this dessert was so quick and just 2 ingredients are required. You can make this dessert with any other fruit as well, as you must have heard or eaten the mango fool. So mangoes would be coming in a season soon, or Ramadan are coming as well. You can alternate with the fruit chart or with this amazing refreshing dessert. And if you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. And if you want to learn something else, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on these links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.